At Fresenius Medical Care's Ogden, Utah plant, we produce dialyzers used for kidney dialysis. The production requirements are very stringent in order to meet strict FDA requirements. The needs to improve our quality and increase our production have us continually evaluating what we do. We have turned to automation as it allows us to move our employees into value-added or more skilled positions and gets them out of repetitive manual jobs. We are always in need of good suppliers and hope that we can find some that are US-based. We were led to PRE-TEC by a referral, and we liked what we saw in them.
During our first phone conversation with Fresenius, they asked if we'd be willing to assess their needs by setting up a time for our engineers to visit their facility. We appreciated that they wanted us to interface with their people and see exactly how their production was set up. Once we'd collected all of the pertinent data, we'd formulated a strategy presented to Fresenius in the form of a simulation. Their reaction was a bit of a surprise. I don't think they expected a proposal with that level of detail. They were happy with the concept presented, cost, equipment, everything. The biggest challenge of the project was to assure Fresenius that we could meet a very low cycle rate. Fresenius is one of the largest producers of dialysis filters in the United States. During production, the dialyzer units transfer from one operation to another and are moved along conveyor belts to the next step in the production process. They are made with very exacting material and processed per FDA guidelines. This required that we use medical grade material that could be cleaned and sanitized daily in order to meet clean room standards.
When we assembled the first system, we built everything to the engineer's drawings, keeping their plant layout in mind. We built the system here on our floor and confirmed dimensions needed to make the equipment work in their plant. Meanwhile, our software engineers programmed all the required functions and confirmed that we fulfilled all the logic the client specified and then some. We are committed to understanding the customer's process so we can design in the proper program logic and error codes that will fit their needs. It's that attention to detail that really ensures a quality product.
When it came time for the factory runoff, we were very happy to see the level of quality put into the 3 lines. When we tested the units at the factory runoff, everything was very complete and met our expectations.
Once we made the final adjustments identified at the runoff and had everything ready, we disassembled each unit and packed them onto special pallets for transport. Then we scheduled delivery to the Fresenius plant in Ogden. It was great to have accomplished this task and have each system installed and operating at their facility in less time than scheduled.
There was only a 48-hour window to get all of the units fully assembled, installed, and running. Having the new equipment in place and running has been great. It's very gratifying to see the entire process come together.
Our installation crew finished ahead of schedule. When the Fresenius production crew arrived, we hit the ground running. We did a full training session and production was back up and running without any delays.
We're very pleased with the outcome. Choosing PRE-TEC as a supplier has worked out well for us.